My friend Ruslan is doing hair today. He's going to show us how to do that sort of tousled California sexy hair. I basically know nothing about hair. I can like brush hair. So I'm glad that Ruslan is here to show you how to get this look. Also, don't forget to follow Ruslan. He's awesome. He's always posting amazing pictures of his work. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Hi, it's Ruslan here. I'm gonna show you a hair tutorial how to get the Victoria's Secret look. And this is Cindy, my beautiful model.
Hi.
She already has her makeup done from my good friend Kale. He's amazing. Look how beautiful she looks. So I'm gonna start with products. I'm gonna use just a mousse. This is the Frieda Wizz-Ease. I love it. It's really soft, and I'm gonna apply it from the roots to tips. I use this much. Don't be shy. You can use a lot. It's really soft, and it's not gonna hair. It's not gonna get crunchy or anything. Enough product in the hair, and I'm just gonna start blow drying it, and I'm gonna use the Velcro rollers just for the mohawk section here to create nice volume. And I'm using my favorite blow dryer ever. It's a Harry Josh Pro Tools. Love it. dry, and look how much volume I got from those rollers. I think
so much hair.
She got so
in a
much
good
hair.
way.
Yeah. And yeah, the little details like those rollers are the key to get this look, because you wanted to achieve big hair, and the rollers are just good because they give you volume right from the root. Now I'm gonna curl her hair with the 1.25 inch curling iron. This is the, again, Harry Josh Pro Tools brand. Right here. And I'm gonna be just alternating directions, so that way it's gonna give me more volume, instead of if I would just do one direction on one side and different direction on the other side. I'm holding my curling iron in a horizontal position, and first piece I do around the face, I always curl it that direction away from the face, and then after that I can start alternating. And I stretch the ends. I'm keeping this mohawk section for the last. I'm gonna see where I'm gonna part. Okay, I think I'm gonna part your hair this way. It's gonna do exactly the same thing now with the curly hair.
Forgot we were filming.
Okay, I finished curling, and then I'm gonna use Onbe dry texturizing spray. Spray it all over and some roots too, just to give it a nice texture. And as you can see, you don't need like 300 products to achieve this look. It's just most for the base, just have the hair hold the curls really nicely. And as you can see, it's not crunchy. And I put a lot of mousse in her hair, and now it's just a texturizing spray. I don't even use like a hairspray or anything like that. Just give it some texture. And I'm just lucky she has like amazing thick hair, Brazilian hair, and my job is so easy here. And then yeah, shake it up. Alright, thanks for watching.